Hello there Spybot users, and welcome back to the Safer Networking YouTube channel. My name is Rob from TeamSpybot, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use the different scan options in a system scan. Let's get started with today's tutorial. First, let's open Spybot by double-clicking on the Spybot desktop icon. Next, open the System Scan window by clicking on Scan System, then press Yes when prompted by the user account control. You must stop the current scan that begins after the System Scan window opens. It may take a couple of seconds for the scan to stop. Once the scan is stopped, you can view the scan options by clicking the drop-down arrow on the Show Scan Results button, then click on Scan with different options. Here we have the option to select or unselect different drives for scanning on your PC. By default, the C drive is selected, but you can also choose to scan optical drives and removable media if currently attached to your PC. Right-clicking on this window gives a list of more options. The first option allows you to add a specific directory for scanning. This can be useful if you would like to scan a number of different folders and allows you to reduce scan times. If you untick the option for scanning the C drive, only the added folders will be scanned. Right-clicking in the Scan Options window also gives you the option to select or unselect all fixed drives, optical drives, removable drives, RAM drives, and remote drives. Once you've chosen the drives and folders you would like to scan, click OK and the custom scan will begin. So that's it for today's video on using the different scan options in a system scan. I'd like to thank you all for watching and hope that you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments or queries, please get in touch by sending an email to TeamSpybot@spybot.info or by using the request help form on the support page on our website. I've been Rob from TeamSpybot. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, keep on searching, keep on destroying. See you guys soon.